Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Stanley number 516855 bottom pivot assembly for their 7500 ICU sliding doors. Here we go. Piece of milled aluminum. Your roller latch really is what it is. Your spring-loaded ball detent that's down in there. And this video is really to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of this item. Let's take some dimensional properties. Bottom pivot assembly, overall length, about 1 inch and 11/16. Overall depth, so to speak, about 1 inch and 3/8. Overall height, about 1 inch. Okay. Adjustable. Lockable, naturally. Okay. Used on your 7500 series ICU sliding doors, bottom pivot assembly. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Stanley automatic products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Stanley 516855 bottom pivot assembly or any other Stanley product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.